Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing an acrylic swipe to create a background for what I then plan to turn into a pretty nature scene with some dolphins in it. The colors that I'm using are intended to help me create the look of the ocean with a pinky purple sunset. All of these base colors that I'm laying down for the swipe are mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 1 drop of silicone oil. After letting the canvas dry for a week, I'm wiping it down gently with some warm soapy water to help clean off the silicone. I'm working gently because the painting will only cure in about 3 to 4 weeks. So if I press too hard now, the paint will start to come off. Now I'm using some plain warm water to clean off that soapy water. I'm lightly adding a bit of brilliant yellow to the canvas to help create the effect of a sunset. Now I'm using some phthalo blue to create the horizon line. I used a paintbrush dipped in water to help dilute the blue a little bit and fade it downwards. I'm using some titanium white diluted with water above the horizon line and just fading it up a little bit. I'm using a black Posca pen to outline the dolphins that I've already sketched onto the canvas in pencil. I'm using ivory black paint by Artist's Loft to fill in the dolphin outline. I went over each dolphin in black 3 times just to give it some good coverage, and now we're ready to paint on the sun. I found this cool stencil at Michael's which I've taped down to help me create a nice round sun using titanium white. I'm adding a bit of the white down here too. And to help the dolphins make a splash, I've dipped the back of a paintbrush into some of my fluid paint to help create these dots. Some of them are white and some of them are white mixed with a little bit of brilliant yellow. I varnished the painting with Liquitex gloss varnish to help finish it off and brighten up the colors again. If you want to see how I varnish my paintings, you can check out my video number 73, which I have linked in the description box. I like how this turned out. The only thing I wonder is whether this looks more like moonlight than sunlight, but I think either way it still looks kind of cute. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.